What's up guys, welcome to another tutorial of TechWiki. In this video we're gonna talk about audio and video in HTML5 and how to use them in our coding in HTML5. As you can see, I've done this just by exclamation mark and tab, and you will see these tags here, this code here, and audio in HTML5. You can use audio and src like image, and I put them before in my media folder here. You can see this is audio, this is the video, src media, and of course I need to close this tag if I want to use this audio. Now you can see media and it will show me to pass time, and I download this audio from YouTube audio library, and if I save this you can't see anything because we don't have any controller and we don't have anything, but we just put our code in our HTML that this audio exists here. So now if you wanna see our audio file, we can use our controls boolean here in this audio tag, and if I click Ctrl S, you will see this here, and it will like controls, and you can play this, you can run this here, and if you want you can see other playback speed and other things here, and you can see you can use other boolean type here, autoplay. If you wanna just, it will autoplay here for us. And if we don't have any controls here, it will still autoplay. You can see there is no control here, and it will autoplay for us here. Controls, autoplay, loop for looping, it will loop. Also, let me see some controls. I make a mistake here. Controls. Let me. Yeah. If I wanna, we can start it muted boolean. Control S. You can see it's muted, but it started autoplay, and we can just go to this audio, stop it, start it, mute it, and everything. If we don't have, if our browser doesn't support MP3, we can use other method for audio file. Just put them here. Audio here, source, src media, our audio file, and self-closing tag, and another source, this self-closing tag, src calls media. I don't have it, but you can use something else to pass time.wave. The HTML5 support only two audio extension, MP3 and WAV, and if my browser don't support any of this audio, you can type here. If your browser doesn't support audio, it will show this, and this is the same exact logic for the video. And the video file supported will be MP4, WebM, and OGG. Here the audio supported will be MP3, WAV, and we use our video tag here, close, and again src media, and here is the video, and I will use all of them. controls, autoplay, loop, muted, and just Ctrl S and you will see this video. If this video is big, you can use width here 500, and that's it. And this is the audio for this video. These are free. I downloaded them from Pixel. And for this here, you can use VR if you like. That depends on your preference. And if you want, you can use HR here for horizontal lines, so this audio and this video get separated. And also you can use, if your browser doesn't support this type of video, you can use WebM or OGG. Use like this: source, self-closing tag, src again, put this here. Sorry, I need to delete these. Okay. And if your browser doesn't support the video, it means this browser doesn't support HTML5 video. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for your watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe and share it with your friend.